This has been a presentation of TRV Sports Ball. And now back to your regularly scheduled program, already in progress.
This wasn't here before. She stacked these up.
She's definitely screwing with us. That means we gotta get out of here!
She hung all these here. What does this mean?
What does it mean? It means we need to get out of here! Jules, come here. I think this might be the way out.
No, these hanging things. We were just here.
Just here? No, we were here. That was 5 hours ago. We gotta get out of here.
For anyone who finds this tape, just know that I'm so sorry that I thought I could just go into a store like this and grab what I wanted and just leave in a few minutes. I'm so sorry. I don't even want to do the project anymore. I wish there was some other way to make art.
You're watching Super 18, The Trove. We'll return to the Blair Witch Craft Project right after these messages from our sponsor.
Oh no!
Are you an artist or creator? Do you spend your hard-earned money to have a booth at festivals? Do you give too much time setting up tents? Is this you? Hauling all your artworks and merch to your art festival tent? Oh no! Has this happened to you? Oh no! Does this look familiar? Have you had your hard-earned money and time literally blown away, or worse? Oh no! Have you had your precious artwork literally sprayed with poo and pee water? If it hasn't happened to you yet, it will!
If you're still selling your art in the physical world, it will get covered with poop and pee water. Oh no! What if I told you that there is a new way to make and sell art that reaches a whole worldwide audience, requires no supplies to create, and can be sent directly to customers through the pipelines of the World Wide Web? Oh no! It's true! There is a way that you can make original art and sell it in what is called an online store. I want to show you the way that you can reach upwards of 80 billion people, potential customers, using a method that I'm going to give out for free. I'd like to tell you my simple tips to have a sustainable online business right now with my free masterclass. You can sell your art online and you don't even need a website. Websites are outdated and a waste of time. Just go to my website right now and sign up for a 100% free masterclass to learn about the new world of digital art. Oh no!
Hello, I'm Damian Bradley. My artist name is WRAITH. Digital art is simply an extension of real art and can be achieved by anyone who is skilled like me. Today I will demonstrate how digital art can be utilized to create deeply meaningful designs that comment and criticize about what the world has become, which would be perfect for college projects or local art scenes. I'll be using Freezel, the free easel creative suite by Draws Super Systems. Freezel is a powerful 8-bit program that allows artists like me, or people like you, to draw lines both up and down. Freezel is an open-source free program that is available free with a free subscription to the Draws Super System Creative Suite for a one-time purchase of $500 included in your discounted membership for $30 per month for the first 15 months after a 2-week trial period at a low rate of $29 per week. When making provocative art, it is important to include some corporate logo or at least a reference to either one of George Orwell's books. In this piece, I will combine the cheerful meal box that makes dinner time so much fun with a snake that makes most things not enjoyable. This will evoke in my audience a sense of, oh man, It's so true. This provocative digital art, like most good art that I do, will derive most of its deep meaning from the provocative title that I create for it. The title of this piece is The Oasis of Just Deserts, which will make you think, oh yeah, I get it. That's so true. Remember to include some Christianity reference, such as a halo or a crown of thorns, or perhaps something that maybe represents both.
You got digital arts? Now what? You maybe want to try turning that digital art into an NFT? What's an NFT, you say? You know how real art has no value until the criminally rich get together and pretend it's valuable? Ever wonder why they do that? It's because nobody's printing any $1 million bills. And if they did, they'd be taxable. So criminally rich pick a couple arts and make them into their own private $1 million bills that they use to move money around in their club of the criminally rich. No taxes, and nice and secure. It's just as hard to copy some well-documented splashes of paint on very specific canvas as it is to copy a stupid piece of paper with the president's face stamped on it. Problem is, then they have all these big, stupid $1 million bills that they have to store. You think they buy art because they like looking at this stuff? A lot of it. I mean, a lot of it gets stored at something called the Geneva Freeport. It's a bunch of big buildings filled with $1 million bills by Picasso, Banksy, and the good ones. Makes Fort Knox look like a silly installation piece. That would also just get stored in the Geneva Freeport. So why NFTs? They're digital. They don't take up any space. So you never gotta look at them. In fact, most are pure crap. So even Trove's art can be an NFT. All you gots to do is run it through an algorithm so that it gets even more digital, and bits and pieces of it get stored all through everyone's computers. It's a form of crypto money. It can't be copied, lost, stolen, and just like real arts, when you move them around in the club of the criminally rich, taxes are, how you say, optional. So how do you make your digital doodles into an NFT so that the criminally rich might be able to use it to hide their riches? Well, you gotta tokenize your thing, like minting a coin. To do this, you gots to set up a crypto wallet and fill that wallet with something called Ethereums. Then you use those Ethereums and bada bing bada boom, you got yourself an NFT. Then you pay to put that NFT up for sale at something called an NFT marketplace. There's all sorts of these popping up everywhere on the web. It's a real hustle. But not if you go through your old pal Valentina Lucky Strike Lombardo here. Tell you what, I can get you a couple 2-3 of them NFTs right around the corner here. Fresh and hot off the back of a truck, because I know a guy, if you know what I mean.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be an artist. I knew I couldn't make the list as one of the greats because all the guys would say is, it's pretty good, fella. The guys, let's see, there was Scribbles, Beardy, Mama Udu, Pika Pika, Beardy 2, Dripsy, Twitch, Wiggs Malone, Johnny, Splats, Scoops, Shades McGee.
Here we go.